Hello students, welcome to Grace Online Education. My name is Sampath, so senior educator. So today we'll discuss bank BO 2 row puzzle. Okay, so reasoning లో ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పజిల్ ఇది. సో సెట్ 1 ఈరోజు నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్ puzzle. So let us move on to the topic. So see the first one. So here we have the puzzle. So first of all puzzle ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. 14 persons sit in two parallel rows. A, B, C, D, E, F, G sit in row 1 and face north, and P, Q, R, S, T, U, V sit in row 2 and face south direction, such that person sitting in row 1 faces the person sitting in row 2. So it is the information related to the puzzle from here to here. So here we have two parallel rows, and each row there are 7 persons are sitting, and next to 7 plus 7 total 14 persons, and each person is facing another person. So it is the first possibility and it is the second possibility. Whenever you want to solve a puzzle, so try to solve that puzzle in two ways, so simultaneously. So two possible ways. So it is the first possibility and it is the second possibility. So see, uh, so it is the row, and next so first one, and next 2, 3, and next 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it is the row 1, all these are facing north direction, all these are facing north direction. So if they are facing north, so see I'm writing here. So if a person is facing north, it is the right side and it is the left side. And if person is facing south, it is the right side and it is the left side. Coming to these persons, all these are, it is the right side of these persons, it is the left side of these persons. Coming to the second row, it is the, all these persons are facing south direction. So total 7 persons. Okay, so two possibilities for this. So it is the right side and it is the left side. Okay, so just to take one more possibility, 7 persons. Okay, na? So two possibilities simultaneous way lo solve cheste saripothundi. So see the first person, rows A, B, C, D, E, F, G sit in row 1, all are facing north. Ante from A to G, all these are facing in row 1, all these are facing north. So all from A to G, all these are sitting here. Coming to the second one, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V sit in row 2 face south. So it is the row 2. From here P to V is there, total 7 persons. Okay na? So apply same things to second possibility also. So see the first one, చూడండి ఒకసారి. V is the only immediate neighbor of S. V is the only immediate neighbor of S means S is sitting exactly ending, so maybe right hand or left hand, but for S V is the only immediate neighbor. So coming to the first possibility, S coming here, so first possibility take S here and next V here. Coming to the second possibility is take S here and next V here. Okay, next T sit second to the left of V. So T is the second to the left of V, this side. So V is facing north, south, it is the right, it is the left side, 1 and 2. So here we have T. So here V is facing south, it is the right side, it is the left side, but there is no place to fix T here. Okay na? So second possibility is the wrong one. Second possibility తో మనకు అవసరం లేదు. Next, two persons sit between T and one who faces F. So two persons sit between T and one who faces F. T is placing here. So say this point, two persons between T and who faces F అంటాడు. So T and next to the one who faces F, that is only two persons between these two. First possibility 1 and 2. So here yes, so here we have F here, it is the first possibility. Second possibility 1 and 2. So here also one person, this person also facing F. So two possibilities again. సో కాబట్టి బెటర్ ఏం చేద్దామంటే సెకండ్ పాసిబిలిటీ కూడా తీసుకుందాం మళ్ళీ. ఓకే, సో సెకండ్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఏంటంటే, సో అప్లై సేమ్ ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ to the second possibility. So see here I am taking S, V and next, so here T. Coming to the first possibility, two persons, so that means I am placing F here, it is the first possibility 1 and 2. So here this person I am placing F here. Okay, so two possibilities again. Coming to the next one, so see the next point, A sit exactly between B and C who sit diagonally opposite to R. A is exactly between B and C, and C who is diagonally opposite to R means, so diagonally opposite to R here. So next A does not face V. So A does not face V, second point. And next P faces D. and next G faces the one who sit just to the right of U. E does not face D. So all these are the remaining points. So coming to this point, A sit exactly between B and C. C who sit diagonally opposite to R. So coming to the first possibility, diagonal opposite to R means just to take R here. Okay, in second possibility, so just to take C here, and one more point, B and C. Between B and C we have A. Suppose, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, suppose if you place B here, so here we can fix A. It is the first second possibility. It is coming to the one more possibility. If you place R here, there is already F is there. So just to keep first possibility aside, focus on second possibility. A does not face V, so A does not face V. That's why we are not fixing A here. Next, P faces D, so P E here, and next to D, and next G faces the one who just to the right of U. So coming to the next point, G faces the one who sit just to the right of U. So where we can fix G? In the here we have two possibilities again. Next, E does not face D. So this just to keep E here. And next, if you place E here, just to G is placing here. Keep this point. G faces the one who sit just to the right of you. So G is the just to the right of you. The remaining person, one person we have, that is P Q here. Okay, so first possibility we are getting wrong one. Second possibility is the final answer. Second possibility is the correct one. So based on this we have 5 questions. Okay, so కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది మనం సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. సో కమింగ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, who sit second to the right of the one who faces B. So who sit second to the right of the one who faces B, second to the right of, for this, so second to the right undali ikkada. Okay na. So first of all, who is facing B actually? Who is facing B? That is U. From U, who second to the right? So who second to the right means U is facing south. So 1 and 2, so that is Q is the answer. So Q is the answer. Next, second question, 4 of the following 5 are in a certain way and hence from a group, which of the following does not belonging into the group? So first of all, V, A, U, G, F. So V, and next A, and next U, and next G, finally F. Except F, remaining 4 persons are in the middle actually. Okay, so that is the condition here. So what is the odd one out here? That is F. Next, question number 3. The number of persons sit between Q and R is the same number of persons to sit to the left of dash. So first of all, between Q and R, how many persons are there? Q and R. So between these two we have 3 persons actually. Between these two we have 3 persons, for whom sit to the left of total 3 persons. So first of all, if you take T, for T we have left side 3 persons. Suppose if you take G, for G also we have 3 persons to the left side, either T or G. So only G here. Coming to the next fourth question, if U is related to Q, so U is related to Q, and next in certain way B related to F, so B related to F, so B related to F. Okay, so coming to the next point, same way whom is related to A antunnadu ikkada. So first of all, first person U related to Q means, U related to Q means second to the left actually, from Q. Next, B related to F, so B related to F means second to the left from F. Okay, first person B, second person F. Same way, whom related to whom is A related? So here first person is A. A is related to whom? That is B. So B is the answer. Okay, so it is the north south based puzzle. So among two possibilities, so we are getting one possibility is the wrong way, so one more possibility is the correct one. Okay, సో ఈ వీడియో ఎవరికైనా నచ్చినట్లయితే సో ఖచ్చితంగా లైక్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ రాబోయే ఆర్బీఐ అసిస్టెంట్ కానీ, ఎస్బీఐ క్లరికల్, ఎస్బీఐ పిఓ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఐబీపీఎస్, ఎన్టీపీసీ, అదేవిధంగా ఎస్ఎస్సి, వీటన్నిటికీ ఇంకా రాబోయే రోజుల్లో కోర్సెస్ మంచిగా తీసుకొని వస్తాను. ఖచ్చితంగా క్లాసెస్ అయితే చేస్తాను. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీరు లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే వారికి అందరికీ ఈ వీడియో షేర్ చేయండి. సో థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ ద క్లాస్.